it's Christmas Day, or even you decide to give yourself a day at work. Your phone is ringing nonstop. Customers are messaging, but you are resting his family. Here's a question for you. Can your business survive when you take holiday? Or your customer walk away because no one answers them? If I told you there's a way to keep your business open for sale, even while you sleep. On today's lecture, I will show you by step how startup in Nigeria can use AI chatbot to answer customer questions for sale without hiring extra staff or without coding and without stress. This guide is simple. Think of it like teaching a child how to count. Let's dive in. Step 1. Write down your customer question. Take a paper and write down what customer always asks you. For example, how much is it? Do you deliver to Ikeja? How did I pay? That is the first thing. Step 2. Choose where your chatbot will live. Ask yourself, where did my customer message me the most? If it's WhatsApp, download the WhatsApp business app. If it's Instagram or Facebook, use ManyChat, also beginner friendly. If you have a website, try TDO. They have free plan too. This is like choosing the house where your assistant will stay. Step 3. Teach your chatbot simple answer. Inside the app, there's always a place to set automatic replies. Type in the common question and answer you wrote earlier. For example, question, how much is delivery? Answer, delivery to Lagos is 1.5. It takes 30 to 45 minutes. Question, do you sell in bulk? Answer, yes, we sell in bulk. Reply agent to talk to a staff. Now your chatbot become a smart assistant that never forgets. Step 3. Add a holiday message. Send this message, happy holiday. Even while we rest, I'm here to answer instantly. This make your business look professional and reliable. Step 5. Test your chatbot. Pick another phone, message your business at night or during the day. If the chatbot doesn't answer correctly, go back and add the missing response. Think of it like teaching a child when they forget and you remind them again. Step 6. Tell your customer, don't keep it a secret, post it online. We now utilize for selling even on holiday. This build trust and show you value them. Step 7. Keep teaching weekly. Every week, check the chat. If you see any question customer are asking, add it to the chatbot. That's how your assistant gets smarter and smarter. As Nigeria, we all love moment of freedom, like closing early on Friday, enjoying a public holiday, or finally switching off your phone after a long day. In the same way, AI chatbot give you business freedom. Freedom to rest, freedom from midtime to your phone 247, and freedom to go while you sleep. Let me ask you again, can your business survive if you take a holiday? With a chatbot, the answer is yes. If you are a startup founder in India, now is the best time to try AI chatbot. Start small, write down your common customer question, pick the platform your people use the most, set up your first replies. Don't worry about making it perfect on day one. What matter is starting. If this video helped you, give it a like, share it and that business owner who need it. And don't forget to subscribe for more guide to grow your startup faster.